This is the unboxing and first look review of the Catchbox Plus system, the ultimate wireless microphone solution for classrooms, meetings, and events. We'll unpack all the boxes, explore each component's features, power them up, and dive into what this system offers. Let's get started. AV Network Guy here. First up, let's take a look at the Catchbox Clip. This is a wearable microphone, perfect for hands-free presentations. It's got a compact design, and I see it has USB-C port at the bottom for charging. There are also these 3 gold rings. I'm guessing they're related to the charging mechanism. Next, we have the charging base for the Cube mic. This is a charging pad for the Cube. It's simple, sleek, and has great cable management options underneath. It comes with a USB-C power brick, so you just have to place the mic on it and it's ready to go. Moving on to the Catchbox stick. This is a handheld microphone, and it really redefines modern design with its lightweight and ergonomic build. I'm not sure how to take this apart yet, but we'll figure it out later. Now, let's check out the dual charging station for the clip and stick mics. This slick dock can charge 2 mics at once, and very compact with a sturdy base. Let's see what's behind it and how it works. Oh nice! The USB ports are hidden, and it has 4 options for cable management. That's really thoughtful. Let's move on to the Catchbox hub. This is the heart of the system, and inside the box, we find the quick start guide. Taking a closer look at the very compact hub, I see it has a USB-C port, radio sync options for balanced and unbalanced audio, and a Dante port for advanced audio networking. It also comes with a USB-C power brick and cable. And finally, the iconic Catchbox Cube mic. This is a throwable microphone designed for audience engagement and capturing clear audio. It feels really good in hand, not too heavy, not intimidating, and it seems easy to throw. All right, now let's dive in a little deeper into the features of the Catchbox Plus system. First, let's look at the quick start guide. It's always good to have this handy. According to the guide, we should start by powering up the hub, which we've already done, so let's move on to step 2. Let's remove the Cube mic from its charging base and take a closer look at its features. It's pretty light, but substantial enough. I see there's ventilation for the internal tech, and there's a USB port for charging. On this side, there's a power button, what looks like a battery indicator, and a pairing button. Let's try to power it on. Nothing's happening. Maybe the battery's dead. Let's check the charging base. Oh, it's not connected to power. Let's plug it in. Now the Cube is charging. And I can see the battery level is actually pretty good. So let's take the mic off the Cube and see what happens. What do you know? It's already powered on. Let's turn it off and back on to see if it pairs automatically. Yep, it's trying to pair, and there we go, it's paired. But later, I want to factory reset it and pair it manually just to understand the process better. For now, I can see that the cube is connected to the hub, and I can monitor the mic audio levels on the hub's display. When I put the cube back on the charging base, the icon on the hub changes to show that it's charging. Here there's a little charging indicator now that it's charging. Let's move on to the clip mic. This seems like a presenter's dream, offering hands-free operation with a convenient quick mute button. Its omnidirectional microphone ensures consistent audio capture even if you're moving around the room. As we can see, this mic is already paired to the hub. I can monitor the audio levels on the hub's display. Now let's check out the dual charger docking station. As you can see, when I place the clip mic on it, it starts charging and automatically mutes. There's a charging icon, and in front of the mic, there's a battery charge indicator. Let's take a look at the stick mic now. First, I'll power it up. Wait, actually, I think I need to connect it to the clip first. Oh, it's straightforward. There we go. Now, as you can see, the stick mic is already paired with the hub. And in front, there's a battery charge indicator. I can also see the audio levels from the stick microphone on the hub. The stick mic is ideal for those who prefer a handheld option. Its sleek design and focused omni pattern are great for capturing only the presenter's voice while filtering out background noise. The ergonomic mute button makes it easy to control, and it's perfect for lectures or moderated events. Let's move on to the hub receiver, which is the central piece that ties everything together. It supports up to 4 mics in its 4-channel version and is designed for hybrid setups. It has features like audio mixing and Dante connectivity for advanced audio routing. What's great is that it's intuitive and doesn't require complex training, making it perfect for huddle rooms or self-service setups. To make sure everything's working, I'll use my Sony headphones to monitor the audio from the mics. As engineers, we don't assume, we verify and confirm. Let's test the clip mic first. I'll also mention the recommended distances for using these mics as an operator or MC. Great! I can definitely hear the audio through my headphones. Cool. Now, let's try the stick mic. As soon as I pick it up from the dual charging dock, it automatically unmuted. That's convenient.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Next, I'll power the cube mic and test its audio. Everything sounds good. Let me cycle through the mics again to show you the audio levels on the hub.
Testing, testing, testing. Testing, 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 testing. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3.
As you can see, all the mic levels are present, and the system is working perfectly. Now let's dig deeper into the menu and features of the hub. As promised earlier, let's factory reset the unit and start fresh. The factory reset was really quick, almost instantaneous. Let's enter the system menu first. I'll rename the hub's hostname for easy identification in networked setups. Let's call it AV Hub and confirm. Now that it's renamed to AV Hub, let's explore the other options under the system menu. Let's perform our system reboot. Wow, that was really fast. Next, look at the global settings menu. The RF submenu covers RF power and synchronization settings. Now my favorite part, network settings. By default, it's set to dynamic mode, which is DHCP, not HDCP. That's a common mistake. You also have the option to set a static IP, and below that, you can configure the subnet mask, default gateway, and view the MAC address. Let's go back to global settings, and the last option is help. There's a QR code that you can scan to get access to help resources right away. And that wraps up our unboxing and first look review of the Catchbox Plus system. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos where we'll be taking these mics out on the street and putting them through their paces in real world scenarios. Until next time, stay tuned.